Welcome to Lalas World. Today's video is how to go back to Windows 10 from 11. Rollback Windows 11 Update and Downgrade Uninstall tutorial. Be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out when more content is posted. First, go to your Start menu. Look to the top right and click on Settings. Scroll down until you see Recovery and then click on Recovery. Then click Go Back. And then the screen will start loading. And you just follow the prompts from there. I tried to record before past this point and my computer restarted and lost my recording, so I'll stop here. Well, thanks for watching how to go back to Windows 10 from 11, Rollback Windows Update and Downgrade, Uninstall tutorial. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.